We're really looking forward to May and June in the Pacific Northwest, as this is the time of year that tends to be the best for real estate in Washington state. This is the season in which both housing inventory and demand significantly increase. So for the time being, we're going to a shorter format, and we'll be reporting more on the data results and less on the how-tos. Again, we'll be using King County in these examples. The NWMLS breaks King County into some 30 map zones contained within 6 regions. They are the East Side, Urban Seattle, Southeast King County, Southwest King County, North King County, and Vashon Island. We'll quickly compare the first 4, the East Side, Seattle, Southeast, and Southwest King County, to see which region is bringing the highest median price increases year over year. We're going to do this on a percentage basis. The gap between the East Side and Seattle widened considerably starting late 2020 to mid-2022. It's interesting that the East Side was the first of the group to see median prices decline recently. Those are the first sub-zero green bars bottom right of the illustration number 1. When that happens to this degree, you pretty much know the other regions had a good probability of price declines in the near future, and this is exactly what happened. This chart is accurate as of March 2024. Seattle also fared worse compared to Southeast King County and Southwest King County regions during the same time period, 2020 to 2022. It's ironic, therefore, that Seattle was the last of these 4 regions to see median prices dip year over year in these most recent downturns. Both Southeast and Southwest King County regions saw almost no year-over-year median price declines during the 2019 slumps seen in many other regions around the state. Southwest King County has fared slightly better lately than Southeast King County, which is interesting. This is compelling because it means some of the most and least expensive real estate market regions in King County are number 1 and number 2 respectively when it comes to recent year-over-year price appreciation. This is the case for the time being, as markets are constantly in a state of flux. The East Side has the highest median price increases on a percentage basis. So let's break this region down and compare its total active listings to its median prices. The East Side's total active listings rose from minus 63.62% in December of 2021 to a high of 829.09% by December of 2023. That's a swing of 892.71% in just 2 years. That's wild. But total active listings rose so high in 2023 that we could barely make out the patterns in the rest of the chart. So let's zoom in to 175% to get a better look. That's better. This way we get a much closer look at how Fed rate cuts or hikes affect total active listings, which in turn affect median prices. We're studying the past to try and better understand future possibilities. The Fed hiked rates once in 2015 and once again in 2016. In 2017, the Fed picked up the pace, hiking 3 times, and in 2018 they again raised rates 4 more times. December of 2018 was the last Fed interest rate hike in that 2015-2018 cycle. December 2018 was also East Side's first year-over-year median price decline, coincidence, in what would be 7 year-over-year price dips in the next 8 months. Looking at the same data in this grid format gives us a different perspective. Column BG is total active listings year-over-year, and column BH is median prices year-over-year, both expressed in percentage format. In December of 2018, many were accusing the Fed of going too far with interest rate hikes. Looking at this grid, it's easy to see those last 5 quarter-point rate hikes sent total active listings soaring. The sudden excessive supply caused median prices to decline for the majority of 2019 in the East Side. We keep going on about total active listings because they're one of the best barometers we have for measuring future home price potentialities. This is according to Pearson's correlation coefficient explained in the first video. Look carefully at these next graphs because this is where everything comes together. This top histogram shows the East Side's total active listings as we showed them earlier, and the bottom is the same data, but we've moved total active listings data forward 7 months. As you can see, the bars don't align perfectly, but perfect indicators don't exist in our experience. This would appear to indicate that there is a 7 to 8 month lag period from when total active listings rise or fall to a certain level and median prices follow suit. It's been said that the cure for high prices is high prices, and therefore the cure for low prices is, you guessed it, low prices. But it appears the cure for high prices is the rise of total active listings, and the cure for low prices is evaporating total active listings. We're going to perform a deep dive on this lag effect in the future and see if it bears fruit. Having a window into the future possibilities of 7 to 8 months would be a game changer, but we'll have to leave that investigation for subsequent videos. For now, it's back to the mines. Please subscribe, like, and share as we condense decades of experience in an industry that produces more millionaires than any other medium. Thanks for watching. We always appreciate your time.